A sea of pink covered the Southwestern University Finma High School grounds last Thursday, February 24, during the Grand People's Rally of presidential candidate Vice President Leni Robredo and her vice presidential running mate Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Pink flaglets, tarpaulins, t-shirts, ballers, and even a miniature house flown by pink balloons were brought by kakampinks to rally behind their chosen candidates. Some of them even dressed in pink festival costumes to express their support.
Kay salig niya, og dako sa kuga na siya may makausap sa tuang Pilipinas.
Together with Robredo and Pangilinan were members of their senatorial lineup, namely Antonio Trillanes, Dick Gordon, Attorney Sonny Matula, Alex Lacson, and representatives of Senator Leila de Lima, 𝗱𝗏𝗀 and Risa Hontiveros. During the campaign rally, Robredo and Pangilinan admitted that the biggest challenge they are facing now in their campaign for the top two highest positions in the country is fighting false information circulating in social media.
Ang pagdidesisyon nasa inyo, kaya ang amin pong pakiusap, samahan niyo po kami sa laban na ito. Hindi lang po sa paraan ng pagboboto, pero labanan po natin yung lahat na disinformation. Labanan po natin lahat na fake news. Dahil pag hindi po natin lalabanan yun, ang eleksyon na to madidesisyonan ang basehan kasinungalingan.
Robredo expressed hope that the Cebuanos would again support her bid for presidency, banking on her delivered promises for the province. According to the Office of the Vice President, Robredo has implemented a total of 276 projects in 41 local government units in Cebu worth 59.3 million pesos.
Ito po yung huling lugar na pinanggalingan ng asawa ko bago siya na aksidente. Matagal pong hindi ako bumalik dito sa Cebu. Nung buhay pa po yung asawa ko, lagi po kaming bumibisita kasi matalik niya pong kaibigan si former Mayor 𝗳𝗏𝗄𝗏.
She added that Cebu has always been close to her heart, as it has always been one of their favorite places to visit with her late husband, DILG Secretary Jessie Robredo, who is also a close friend of former Cebu City Mayor Tomas Osmeña. Osmeña and members of the 𝗴𝗶𝗶𝗃 lineup were present during the event, and Robredo even endorsed the candidacy of their mayoral aspirant, Margot Osmeña.
Kung bakit napakalaki ng utang na loob ko sa Cebu. Nung kumandidato po ako noong 2016, hindi pa naman ako kilala. Bagong salta ako. Pero ang Cebu, ang pinanalo ko po dito sa aking naging kalaban ng eleksyon, almost 500,000 votes.
Pangilinan, on the other hand, highlighted his promises of helping the country's marginalized sectors if given the chance to serve as vice president.
Marahil kayo rin, kumbinsihin pa natin ang iba na ang kung track record lang ang pinag-uusapan sa malinis at tapat na panunungkulan na walang bahid ng katiwalian. Kung ang track record lamang ay inuuna ang mahihirap, ang mga kapos, ang mangingisda, magsasaka, ang manggagawa, at hindi lamang tuwing eleksyon, kung hindi kahit walang halalan, umaga, hapon, gabi, inaasikaso ang mga nasalaylayan, yan ang Robredo-Pangilinan tandem.
His wife, megastar Sharon Cuneta, was also present, whose speech humored the audience members. National artists such as Gab Valenciano and 𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗃, as well as local artists including the famous San Diego dancers, also performed during the event, who wowed the audience with their pink lechon and pink Cebuano delicacies.
Bilang jowa ni Kiko, kaya yung mga walang jowa para kay Kiko, i-share ko siya with you. Ganun po kayo kamahal. Basta po iboto nyo sila. Kang Kiko, akong boto! Thank you so much!
Before the event ended, local organizers and volunteers gave Robredo an image of the Santo Niño de Cebu as they all sang to the renowned song, I Love Cebu. According to Police Major Nolan Tagsip, Deputy Chief of Abiliana Police Station, an estimate of 10,000 to 12,000 supporters all over Cebu Island attended the rally at the SW grounds. This has been Andrea Pateña-Matheu for MyTV Cebu.